won't believe this. With just 2 old water heaters, one man created something incredible. An efficient, double-burner wood stove that not only saves on gas bills but also cooks and heats at the same time. It all started when Jake, a 32-year-old handyman, visited his girlfriend's family and noticed they were still using an old coal stove. Seeing how inefficient and costly it was, he had an idea. Without hesitation, he spent just $15 at a scrapyard to buy 2 discarded water heaters, determined to build them something better. Back at his workshop, Jake got to work. He removed the inner linings of the heaters, then used an angle grinder to carefully cut and separate the tanks. He shaped the openings to fit a glass lid, making sure they were precise. Next, he carved out a rectangular window near the base for an ash outlet, bending a steel plate into a small box and welding it in place to collect the ash. The front opening of the tank was transformed into a door, secured with a hinge to allow easy access. On the opposite side, he cut a larger opening to load firewood. One of the removed steel plates was tilted at an angle and welded in place, helping to direct the flames efficiently. Once both heaters were modified, Jake connected them with a sturdy iron plate, forming a solid 2-burner stove. He reinforced the sides with additional metal sheets, shaping a rectangular frame for stability. A middle partition was added, along with a wind guard to keep the flames steady. To complete the design, he cut a round hole in the top, creating an opening for a chimney. For mobility, he welded 4 brackets to the base and installed caster wheels, making it easy to move the stove anywhere. After a fresh coat of heat-resistant black paint, the transformation was complete. What was once scrap metal was now a fully functional double-burner wood stove. The real test. Firing it up. Jake connected a smoke vent to direct exhaust outdoors, then lit the first batch of firewood. Within minutes, the flames roared to life. The heat was intense, and the dual burners worked independently or together as needed. Neighbors gathered, watching in awe as the stove boiled water on one side while cooking a meal on the other. The design was simple yet brilliant, turning waste into something practical, cost-effective, and powerful. Jake didn't just build a stove. He built a solution. What do you think? Would you try making one yourself?